Today, I'm on the far west side of San Antonio in a new construction community. The home directly behind me is featured as the community's model home. So if you want to see what it looks like all furnished, you could check that video out. It will be linked in the description, but we're going to check this one out and let me know what you think. Upon entry, you have 8 feet double doors. And right as you entered the home, you have the office that is featured on the right side of the home. It does have double French doors and nice tall windows. One thing I love about this home is the tall ceilings and the arch frames at the top. Coming in off of the entrance, you have the first bedroom, and this home does feature en suites in all the bedrooms. So each bedroom does have its own private bathroom. The walk-in closet for this one. One thing I love about this builder is they always have the 8 feet doors throughout the house. So no matter if it's a closet or if it's a bedroom door, they all have them. Okay, so as we continue off the foyer, we have a nice open flex space that could be used as a playroom or a movie room. Okay, so right before you enter into the kitchen area, dining area, here is another bedroom. Okay, and this also is another closet in the hallway that can be used as a coat closet. And as you enter into the kitchen area, you will see that this home has a double island with plenty of storage space. And it has built-in appliances as well. This community is gas. Okay, so this is the dining room area right here that leads out to the patio, and then this is the living area. And let's see this farm style sink right quick before we go outside. So as you can see, there are a lot of windows that bring in that natural light. So as we enter into the outside area, it is a covered patio. Okay, so now we're about to enter into the primary bedroom. And before we do, here is another closet area right in front of the bedroom. So the bedroom does feature bay windows, the nice ceiling fan, and very high ceilings. This being a one-story, you definitely get that two-story feel because of the high ceilings in this home. Okay, so now we're about to enter into the primary bathroom. It does have a soaking tub with the window. And here is the private area with the toilet. It's the vanity area. And it swings around with the double sinks and a mirror. Then we will go into the standing shower. We do have the floor to ceiling tiles in this bathroom. And leads to the closet space. And the thing I like about this closet is that it opens up into the hallway. And here is the laundry room. So it's very easy access to the laundry area. And this room right here, or excuse me, this door right here leads to the garage. So we're gonna go check that out. Okay, and this leads up to the attic. This is a 3-car tandem garage. So even though there are 2 doors, this area right here would be where the 3rd vehicle would go, or motorcycle, or whatever you would like. Okay, and so this home does have a tankless hot water heater, and it is pre-plumbed for a water softener, which if you're moving to Texas, I definitely recommend that because in the San Antonio area, we do have hard water, so you will definitely need one of those. Okay, so down this hallway is our half bathroom. And a bedroom. And the ensuite. So if you're interested in knowing more about this floor plan, this builder, this community, please reach out to me. My number is 830-369-1776. Thank you. And leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about this home.